30. So 1/3 of the number of cabinet in India, with 7 times bigger than Pakistan. What that justifies?
It shows their concern for their country. In Pakistan, the concern is for their own self, their own benefits. The merger of the parties is for the not for the benefit of the country. It is for their own benefit. This is the difference.
नाजरीन, इसके बाद हम जाएंगे एक छोटे से कमर्शियल ब्रेक पे, and when we come back we will continue our discussion. Thank you.
This program is brought to you in association with
वाकई कुछ रिश्तों का कोई मोल नहीं.
बड़े चैलेंज का बड़ा मजा,
उससे बड़ा बिग एप्पल का मजा.
फ्रेश और जूसी ऑरेंज लेकर सनसिप ने है इसे बनाया. सनसिप का ठंडा ऑरेंज, सनसिप ठंडा ऑरेंज पीकर सभी फ्रेश और हेल्दी रहते. पियो ठंडा इन एवरी सीजन,
पियो ठंडा for any reason.
सनसिप ठंडा ऑरेंज पीकर सभी फौरन फ्रेश हो जाते.
सनसिप ठंडा ऑरेंज.
नींबू पानी पियो पियो, ताजा ताजा नींबू का रस बना है जिससे नींबू पानी.
सनसिप का ये नींबू पानी थकन को फौरन दूर भगाए.
इनकी हरदम फ्रेशनेस का राज है सनसिप नींबू पानी.
नींबू पानी ओ पियो पियो नींबू पानी ओ पियो पियो.
This program is brought to you in association with
वाकई कुछ रिश्तों का कोई मोल नहीं.
नाजरीन, वेलकम बैक टू द प्रोग्राम. हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे कुछ पॉलिटिशियंस और पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में, और टाइम बहुत मुख्तसर है तो बहुत तवील डिस्कशन में हम नहीं जा सकते. क्रक्स ऑफ द मैटर हमने डिस्कस कर लिया. अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे इमरान खान साहब के धरने को. इमरान खान साहब का ये जो धरना कराची में था, he wanted to give some message, Peter, and as a cricket fan, you know, coming from England and Scotland, you must be liking Imran Khan as a player, as a captain, as a bowler, but as a politician, how do you see him? Did he do something by putting those obstructions in Karachi city? Did this give any message to the international opinion makers or the policy makers? Anything that came out of Karachi, dharna, whatever they're calling it?
Well, he also came from Oxford.
Yes.
But he's been a great disappointment recently. He was a voice of principle, morals, and doing the right thing, but he has moved into being another voice in the maelstrom of politics, manipulating people not in the interests of Pakistan. So I'm very disappointed.
All right. Now, Colonel Zafar, do you think that Imran Khan has visited the books of politics, or he needs to revisit politics?
I agree with Peter Bailey when he said that he's been a great disappointment. हमें उनसे बड़ी उम्मीदें थी, और पहले जो उनकी बातचीत होती थी उसमें कुछ हमें नज़र आता था कि कोई उनके जहन में एक विजन है. लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली, बदकिस्मती से, जो अब उन्होंने इश्यूज़ पकड़े हैं या जहाँ जहाँ उन्होंने उनको इजहार करने का, अपनी राय का तरीका निकाला है, उसमें समझ में आता है ना तो
इशू क्या है.
इशू मालूम नहीं. देखिए,
ये कह रहे हैं नेटो फोर्सेस को हम ब्लॉक करना चाहते हैं.
ये
पहली बात तो ये क्लियर कर लीजिए टू ऑल ऑफ यू दैट देयर इज नो सप्लाई of anything going to NATO forces on Saturdays and Sundays. So blocking the transport in Karachi is not doing anything to the NATO supplies. That must be very clear. So this is just a symbolic effort on the part of Imran Khan to show that yes, we can do it. But what is the purpose of blocking the NATO forces supply line? Is this the goal of Pakistani nation, to block the supply line of NATO forces, bring them to knees, and then tell them by force that look, you have to follow what dictations we give you? Does this look workable? Is this something that he can do? He can dictate by doing something on the street with a street power? Can Pakistan do such a thing?
यही मैं अर्ज कर रहा था कि जो
Is there any element of wisdom in it?
यही मैं अर्ज कर रहा था, जो इशू उन्होंने चुना है वो सप्लाई ऑफ एन ऑनगोइंग ऑपरेशन इन विच यू आर एन एलाई. अब या तो आप उसको बेसिक आप अपने अलायंस की जो सिचुएशन है उसको चैलेंज करिए.
Yes, that is the point. That is the point. You are talking on the subclause of something going on. You are not talking on the real issue.
The main body.
You are discussing the foreign policy.
That's right.
You are challenging the foreign policy, the course of foreign policy. What you are saying is our association or alienation towards NATO forces is not right. This is a subclause that you're talking about the troops the trucks going for a supply line, and you're talking on Saturdays when you don't go there. So this is no issue. The issue, if you want, is you want to tell to the government that there has to be some substantive action, some measures to stop drone attacks. And how can that be done? I tell you that. Nazreen, as a student leader, 1971 में मशरक़ी पाकिस्तान का सकूत हुआ. भुट्टो साहब की हुकूमत पावर में आई और मरहूम जुल्फ़िकार अली भुट्टो साहब, मैसूरी ने मशरक़ी पाकिस्तान को पाकिस्तान लाने को तैयार नहीं थे. और ये बात ऑन रिकॉर्ड है कि हमने इसकी तहरीक चलाई, कराची की तारीख का सबसे बड़ा जुलूस निकाला, और मरहूम जुल्फ़िकार अली भुट्टो साहब सोवियत यूनियन के ट्रिप पे जाने वाले थे और लाखों के इस जुलूस ने उनका घेराव किया और जुल्फ़िकार अली भुट्टो साहब को ऐलान करना पड़ा कि मैसूरी ने मशरक़ी पाकिस्तान आएंगे. ये वो पावर बेस है जो स्ट्रीट पे इस्तेमाल की जाती है. इसके बाद पीएनए की कैंपेन के अंदर भी मैं स्टूडेंट लीडर था और उस वक्त भी हमें तारीख याद है कि जो कैंपेन चली थी उसमें गोग के यकीनन भुट्टो साहब की जीत थी, लेकिन पीएनए ने तहरीक इतनी टेक्निकल चलाई कि भुट्टो साहब की हुकूमत चली गई. ये वो कैंपेन होती है जो पॉलिटिकल विजडम के साथ चलाई जाती है. ये वो कैंपेन नहीं होती है नाजरीन जिसके अंदर सफ़ेद गलाफ के साथ चेयर्स लगाई जाती हैं जैसे बुफे खाने के टेबल पे लगाया गया हो. इतनी लग्जरीज किसी मास मूवमेंट के अंदर कभी आपने देखी? फारूकी साहब, आप भी पार्ट रहे हैं कभी ना कभी
जी. मैं
पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम का, वो कि आपने फौज ज्वाइन की, बट
मैंने फौज ज्वाइन करने से पहले मैं आज आपको बता दूं कि 1964 में मैं अयूब खान की जो बेसिक डेमोक्रेसी था उसमें मैं जहांगीर रोड से आई वाज एन इलेक्टेड बेसिक डेमोक्रेट.
बीडी मेंबर थे आप?
बीडी मेंबर था. सियासत में थोड़ा बहुत अमल दखल रहा.
इसे पॉलिटिक्स कहते हैं जो हो रहा है.
ये तो सियासत की हमने तो सियासी ऐसे देखे जैसे गफ्फार पाशा मरहूम थे और बड़े अच्छे अच्छे लीडर्स थे जिनकी मैंने भी आपको मिसालें दी थी. वो लोग लीडर्स थे जिनके दिल में मुल्क का दुख और दर्द था, जो सुबह से लेके शाम तक अवाम के लिए फिरते रहते.
नहीं, हम दुख और दर्द को चैलेंज नहीं कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ये बात हम ये कर रहे हैं कि पॉलिटिकल मूवमेंट इस तरह रन होती है क्या? हमने भी 2 मूवमेंट्स रन किए हैं, आपने भी रन किए हैं.
डॉक्टर साहब बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं. सियासत में अपना पहले वजन किया जाता है, अपने को तोला जाता है, अपने को देखा जाता है, अपने रिसोर्सेज जमा किए जाते हैं. इस तरीके से धरना नहीं दिया जाता है जिसमें 2000 आदमी और एक मैसेज बिल्कुल फेल हो जाए. उसमें तो दूसरा दुश्मन जो है वो कहेगा इनमें तो कोई जान ही नहीं, वो तो अब और 2 की बजाय 6 ड्रोन अटैक करेगा. आपने तो उनको इनवाइट कर दिया कि ये कौम तो अगेंस्ट ही नहीं है.
द पॉलिटिकल मूवमेंट्स पीटर, लाइक मार्टिन लूथर किंग्स मूवमेंट,
well, this
in the racial discrimination in the United States in the 1960s, that was a very successful movement.
Well, the point is the message has to be given and it has to be received. Why is the public so manipulatable? Now, it's true that all politics is local and you have local political enforces, etc. But in fact, democracy and the American idea of democracy is not really applicable here, but in fact, democracy is enlightened self-interest.
But besides democracy,
So the
Peter,
people-
in terms of the political movements, like the Martin Luther King's movement,
Yes.
like the Pakistan independence movement, like the movements in the PNA here in Pakistan, like the movement against Ayub Khan, we have seen so many movements even in our lifetime. This is not the way movements are run, where money is being pitched and things of classical chairs are being put for people to come in
what
there.
we
That's
lack-
not,
what
movement
it was, not
involves
movement.
people. You are not involving
Yes,
people.
it
You are
was not
involving your
movement.
money.
Yes.
What we lack here
Yes.
is a
Participation of
movement like the Congress movement in India, which was a movement of the people that ultimately changed
Yes.
to a political
yeah,
party.
exactly. Now let me ask this question.
And that's
Sorry for
what-
the interruption. Why, Major Farooqi, why the political leaders, not all political leaders are tainted, not all political leaders are corrupt, not all political leaders are involved in crime and mafia. There are people with clean hands. Why is that a fact that no one amongst the political leadership of Pakistan is joining hands with Imran Khan? What is the obstruction?
What I think, the obstruction is very clear. They don't see a path. They don't see that they can deliver. They don't see that they can form a good platform. If they had faith, by now there should have been dozens who should have joined him. He is having a dynamic personality. He has got a good reputation as a fighter, as a cricketer. He has got, as Peter Bailey said, that the people had a lot of confidence in him that he will deliver. But I don't know why he is failing. This dharna in Peshawar or in Karachi, without any calculation, without anything, has given a wrong message.
That's one aspect. There could be a second aspect,
Yes.
that political leaders are trying to gauge themselves with Imran Khan, want to join Imran Khan, and it is Imran Khan who is not letting them enter his ranks.
Maybe
Could that,
that
could-
is, yes.
Do you think is that another problem?
That may be a problem, because in our
Or
Pakistan
people
society,
within his
yes, I
party
come
don't
to
want
this.
the stalwarts to come in the party
Yes.
because he feel the threat
The
by
threat.
their entrance.
In Pakistan,
Originally,
What do you think, Peter?
Originally, he was a moral threat of rectitude, but he's now a political threat to the politicians. There's not a single major political
No, I said
party.
otherwise.
Yes.
Does his entry into his ranks and files by politician is a threat for him? And is that the reason that he don't let the politicians come into his ranks?
At this stage.
Yes. You think
Earlier it was different.
so? All right. What do you think?
You
Colonel
see-
Zafar? What is the problem here?
The problem is
Why
lack-
is he not penetrating into the masses in Karachi?
You see,
Why?
Politics is basically galvanizing the people onto some point of moral or economic or social issue. He has failed to, in these 2-3 examples, he has failed to define those issues. And defines those issues with relationship to the people as to how do they affect them.
So let's see.
And when the
let's-
people are not interested,
So if you remember the politics of Maulana Abdul Hamid Khan Bhashani, when we were united, he used to bring politics, not politics, more of a pressure force. He was in Pakistan. He never won any elections and his party never won elections, but he was a pressure force. He would come and go for strikes and go for demonstrations, but he will never deliver anything. So you think it's like Bhashani type of politics going on here now?
No, but Bhashani had another thing. He could speak to the people. He could speak their language. Unfortunately, Khan Sahib doesn't have even that quality. He has some very, very good qualities of leadership. I'll give him that any day. But in this particular area, I think there is
नाज़रीन,
lacking.
इसके बाद हम जाएंगे एक छोटे से ब्रेक पे और कमर्शियल ब्रेक के बाद दोबारा हाजिर होते हैं. थैंक यू.
This program is brought to you in association with
वाकई कुछ रिश्तों का कोई मोल नहीं.
बड़े सफर का बड़ा मजा
उससे भी बड़ा बिग एप्पल का मजा।
हर रिचार्ज पर हासिल करें 100 मिनट्स तक रोजाना तमाम नेटवर्क्स पर। साथ ही साथ आपको मिले ज्यादा से ज्यादा बोनस